Welcome. If you want to keep your Pinterest experience private and prevent the app from accessing your phone's contacts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of turning off contact access for Pinterest on your mobile device. This quick update will help you take control of your privacy in just a few minutes. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your installed apps and their permissions. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through your apps until you find Pinterest. Once you spot it, tap on the Pinterest app to open its settings. Inside the Pinterest app settings, you'll see an option labeled Permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions to view all the different types of data Pinterest can access on your device. Here, you'll see contacts listed among the permissions. Tap on Contacts, and you'll be given the option to allow or deny Pinterest access to your contacts. To stop Pinterest from accessing your contacts, simply select Don't Allow. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully prevented Pinterest from accessing your phone's contacts. This means Pinterest won't be able to sync, upload, or use your contact information for suggestions or sharing features. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind or want to review which apps have access to your contacts. Taking a few moments to manage app permissions is a great way to protect your privacy and ensure you're only sharing what you want. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might want to keep their Pinterest experience private. Stay safe and enjoy pinning with peace of mind.